Hello everyone, we are Four Women. With us today we have Rohit, Ian and Jeet. So today, what is our topic for today? The topic for today is communication problems we face in India while talking with different people, different age group, different genders. So let's start. So basically I want to say that जो मेरे को problem face हुआ था from my childhood while communicating, while expressing my feelings. So I was not able to express my feelings to anyone. तो मेरे को पता नहीं चला कि मेरा उसका प्रॉब्लम क्या है, मैं ये क्यों कर रहा हूँ, मैं कर नहीं पा रहा हूँ. ये बात नहीं कि यार इज नॉट लेके मेरे को इंग्लिश में करना है तो मैं इंग्लिश में भी, लैंग्वेज का इशू है ही नहीं इधर. मैं अपने मदर टंग अभी हिंदी में भी नहीं प्रॉपरली अपना फीलिंग्स एक्सप्रेस कर पा रहा हूँ. तो व्हाट्स द रीजन बिहाइंड दिस? तो व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड लाइक हाँ ऐसा क्यों हुआ, ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है, आई आस्क्ड, ऐसा मैंने पूछा दो तीन लोगों को कि मेरे को ऐसा एक्सप्रेस करने क्यों. तो मेरे को क्या समझा, व्हाट आई अंडरस्टैंड कि इट वाज लाइक फ्रॉम माय चाइल्डहुड आई वाज नॉट properly taught ki how to express my feeling. From my childhood, I was only taught at my school is ki study, score good marks, study, score good marks, future तुम्हारा अच्छा होगा. So there was no practical thing happening for me like how to express myself. हाँ, how at a particular situation मेरे को अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस कैसे करना चाहिए था. एंड स्कूल में भी लाइक आई हैड नो फ्रेंड्स. तो तो मेरा ऐसा था कि घर से स्कूल जाना है, स्कूल से घर, फिर ट्यूशन से घर, बस दैट्स ऑल. तो वो चीज में व्हेन आई मतलब वो पॉइंट पे चाइल्डहुड में ही अगर मैं अगर इफ समवन थॉट मी कि हाउ टू एक्सप्रेस प्रॉपर्ली माई सेल्फ, तो वो आई थिंक सो द प्रॉब्लम आई एम फेसिंग नाउ वो टाइम पे ओवरकम हो जाता. सो व्हाट यू गाइस थिंक अबाउट इट? कैन यू?
यार तो तूने एक चीज बहुत अच्छी बोली है कि तेरे को बचपन से ही स्पीच का प्रॉब्लम है, मतलब लाइक यू कांट कम्युनिकेट प्रॉपरली. एंड आई डोंट थिंक यू आर द ओनली पर्सन हियर. दिस इज वन ऑफ द रीजंस व्हाई वी हैव चोजन दिस टॉपिक इन द फर्स्ट प्लेस. तेरे जैसे करोड़ों लोग भरे हुए हैं इधर who are having a very tough time communicating with their peers, with their friends, or with their even with their parents or with their teachers. कुछ भी मतलब कम्युनिकेशन इन जनरल में उनको प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. दे कांट से कम्युनिकेटिंग व्हाट दे आर फीलिंग. सो आई मीन स्कूल का है एक फॉल्ट आई वुड से, बट आई थिंक इट्स मोर लाइक कि इन जनरली हमको थोड़ा पुश नहीं किया था वो लोग ने, like the school system. So like I had this subject called PD, personality development करके स्कूल में था. I think 8th standard या something में it got introduced to me. Thing is, it wasn't a main subject for you. You had your 7 subjects: algebra, geometry, English, Hindi, Marathi, whatever it was. Like I was in SSC. So PD, even though it was a subject in our school, but there was no actual weight behind it. मतलब अगर तू लाइक इवन इफ यू डोंट, इट वाज अ ग्रेडेड सब्जेक्ट. हम लोगों को बाकी सब में स्कोर्स होते थे. अभी आई एम नॉट श्योर व्हाट द सिस्टम इज,
वो
बट
हफ्ते में एक
नाउ
बार होता था ना उसका लेक्चर.
हाँ, हफ्ते में
हफ्ते
एक
में
बार
एक बार
होता था.
होता था.
या सो लाइक you can already see that there is no emphasis put
Import.
towards how to communicate, which is an actual important skill which needs practice. Of course, like वो तो ऐसा आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड क्यों होता है, बहुत लोगों को है ऐसा. बट आई थिंक if you are still having those problems, I would say it's time to start practicing. तुम लोगों को क्या लगता है?
I think so. When you say about the PD subject one, so I was in the same, I was in IG board first for 7 years, and then 3 years I continued in the SSC. And what I saw was that, of course, when you go into a IG, you meet a lot of different kind of people. When you go into SSC, you meet a lot of different kind of people. And what I see that in both of them, all right, even the IG board, this is just like state board, SSK. The main difference, the main what was common is that teacher or the principal, they just cared about the curriculum, what it was given to you to get passed. There were PD subject in both of the school or something like that, but actually they never taught you that okay, behave like this or speak like this in this manner. If someone is having a conversation like this, then you should make a polite statement like this to just turn around that statement or something, because it was always like ये तू बस छोटा है, ज़्यादा मत बोल. It was,
हाँ.
people, yeah. So people, so actually luckily my father was in corporate, is in corporate right now, and he has been like in corporate for many years. So I think so. He always helped me out in this situation, that how you should speak and what you should behave, and like you should understand that when he is going into an argument or something like this, these are the important things which should be taught. But the teachers and all of this, the school side, they think that acha wo uska life hai, they love, and the parents don't really have the time, or even if they have the time, they can't teach all of this basic stuff sometimes, many times. So I think so, many, I've seen the children from, they just watch TV all the day. I've seen like a lot of parents just like हाँ TV चालू करके दे देते हैं, and many of the children develop the personality from seeing whatever they see on the TV, and
Yeah.
from there they pick up. So many people have their characteristics or their personality, but I've seen that they are copying it from various characters,
So
which I have
because
seen.
the fact
So
is that you can't, there is not a streamlined system जो बिठा के रखा है to like teach you how to communicate. So parents are more into their work. Like it really depends on parents. ठीक है. मतलब अभी normally it's like a housewife and a husband who goes out and earns. There are also parents who both go out and leave the child alone with some maid or something. ठीक है. मतलब जो caretaker रहेगा or whatever it is. So what the child does is that it will, as you said, it will look for other people, like it will look for role models per se, to see how people speak, how people act, behavior उनका कैसा रहता है. And you think यार ये बंदा बहुत perfect है मेरे लिए. Maybe if I enact like that, maybe people will like me. वैसा what communication, like अगर किसी को करने का रहता है communication skills अपने improve, why are they doing it? They want,
looking at others.
हाँ नहीं, looking at others is one thing, but why are you improving your communication?
Not being
वो एक
heard
सवाल
enough.
सबसे पहले आता है. So that basically people will understand you ऐसे बराबर से, like जो भी मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ, people will understand what this guy is trying to say, है ना? So there are various different methods people have, ठीक है? But the thing is that you cannot enact. तुम acting करोगे, but तुम कितना करोगे? Like of course there are some basics which we all need to follow, ठीक है? मतलब like whatever you're trying to convey it in a precise format, do it with proper grammar या जो भी रहेगा. Like take pauses whenever you want. जब तुम कुछ explain करना चाहते हो बड़बड़ाओ. जब तुम want the audience to feel the impact, then you pause. Something like that. Like those are basic things. But in the end, जब भी तुम enact करने को जाते हो, like certain people's behavior, like how they have a conversation with others and how they behave during a conversation. Because conversation goes like एक बहुत normal non-verbal fashion में भी जाता है और एक verbal fashion, like the way we are talking. And so फिर non-verbal में as in our behavior, our body language or whatever goes. So I feel that there is this need for Indians to like kind of try practicing but be your own thing at the same time. मतलब तुम enact करने की कोशिश मत करो what people are doing, and अगर work भी करता है ना, just know it's short term and probably you'll lose yourself. मतलब why do you want to replicate other people? Why can't you just be your own person with your own thoughts and feelings? अगर suppose Ian को Batman बहुत पसंद है, ठीक है, and he only talks about Batman, ठीक है, it's not necessary for me to only talk about Batman. I can connect with him through Batman, sure, but it's not like कि मेरे को Batman के बारे में मालूम ही होना चाहिए 100% to talk.
it's more like simping, when a guy just want to, get a girl attention, like, okay, isko ye pasand hai, I will just talk about it and I will, simp. So yeah, I think so. That's a true statement. Cause and a lot of the time, what I have seen when it comes to a point in my childhood, what I have seen, there was this guy, not in my childhood, but some years back, there was this guy who just transferred to that school, and he was new and he was a bit special. I won't say anything more about it, but a lot of people were not making him friend. He tried to go into a group, and it was already a media or something. But so he heard that okay, some kids, some some of the groups were just having this. So he just tried to act like them and talk like them. It was completely different of his character. He was not like that guy, but he just tried to be like that group to get into the group. So a lot of people do that if they don't know how to, if they have not learned from their childhood, if they have not got anything like that for training part. Plus, he was special, so he by talking pata chal jata tha by his behavior. So people were like, I don't know, people were just not giving him a lot of attention. But I think so many of this state or many of these scenarios led the people to do such action so that they just don't be outcast. So yeah, I agree.
वो childhood का भी point वो बोला. So I mean, childhood is a time where we most likely, like when we are kids, we usually don't care what other people think.
Yeah.
We are in our own world which we have made, and that is the time we tend to speak out a lot of bold things as a kid. Like we tend to speak out more openly, and तभी confidence बहुत रहता है because वो other people judging का वो thought दिमाग में है
concept
ही
नहीं था. हाँ.
concept नहीं है. So, but what happens is you often notice कि अगर if a child is speaking out, their parents themselves will be like, stupid. You're a kid. You shouldn't be speaking out like that so loud. And such bold things. Like there must be many things. So I feel अगर like some people recover out of it, like and like some people get very affected by it. Like because at a time I wanted to speak out loud. I wanted to share my opinions about something, but I was shunned. So what if I'm shunned even today? So I feel, if we encourage that time at that phase, जब they have no care about the world, maybe that time, maybe future में a lot of people will be better communicators. Because they won't feel कि हम लोग का जो बात है is not socially acceptable.
Yeah.
Or people are not going to accept us what we are speaking. So I feel maybe that also is one case when it comes to childhood.
वो तो है. I agree with that point कि like children are generally dense that way, like they don't know the social norms कि क्या क्या बोलना चाहिए कब बोलना चाहिए. They don't have a filter per se. वो filter parents डालते हैं उनके ऊपर, which I can understand why. मतलब अगर तुम सीधा जाके like it depends ना, you can't be too bold. Like suppose मैं इयन को जाके बोलूं तेरे को बहुत like तेरे को एक ने बहुत है उसका कर कुछ. You get my point? As a child, if you say it, हाँ ठीक है मेरे को दिख रहा है इसके फेस पे. हाँ. Otherwise you're like like then टोकेंगे भाई कि like थोड़ा इज्जत से बात कर. Then it's there. So as a child you won't get to know. So I think the parents' job is like kind of to filter you up to the point कि you know when to say what to say.
Yeah.
वैसा वो मेन चीज होना चाहिए. Instead of being like अगर तुम फुकट मुफट बन रहे हो, I don't think anyone will try to associate with you, and that is the reality point of view I'm speaking. ठीक है, अगर तुम फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन ही ऐसा बना रहे ये इनको एक्ने है मेरे को उससे बात नहीं करनी है, हटा कौन किसके मुंह में रहता है, या फिर जीत तू इतना गोलू क्यों है, वैसा. I'm just saying. I'm just trying to make a point.
Why are you touching our insecurities, Rohit?
I understand. Podcast के नाम पे हमें ले रहा है.
हाँ देख ना. Do you think this about us?
अच्छा ठीक है, मेरे को ले ले, मेरे में कुछ भी ले ले यार, मेरी नाक बहुत बड़ी है, कुछ भी ले ले चल. मेरी नाक बहुत बड़ी है, मुझसे बात नहीं करनी है, वैसा. लाइक तू मेरे को बोलेगा ऐसा करके.
I have never thought
this.
Like whatever it is, I'm just giving an example. My God, I'm just giving an example. कि ऐसा होता है. We move on that.
But
so I think
so
with modesty that way. तो वो एक चीज रहना चाहिए. And again at the same time, knowing when to say what to say is a very important skill you need to learn. वो मेरे हिसाब से.
I think so this topic. Yeah, sure. Sorry, Jishan, continue.
Sometimes ऐसे भी होता है कि मेरे को एक पर्टिकुलर वर्ड का मीनिंग पता है कि इसका मतलब क्या है, लेकिन वो बोलने नहीं हो कि how to frame a sentence using this word. मैं कैसे बोलूँ इसको, मुझे वो भी पता नहीं होता है. So yeah, that's what problem I face when I like we इसको to improve is like मेरे को how to say myself, how to express myself. मेरे को basically क्या करना पड़ेगा कि वो ट्रेन अपने आप को करना पड़ेगा, अपने आप को टाइम देना पड़ेगा, प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा मेरे को. कि अगर मैं रोहित का एग्जांपल ले रहा हूँ कि रोहित से मुझे कैसे बात करना है, रोहित को अपनी फीलिंग्स कैसे एक्सप्रेस करना है मेरे को. तो आई विल सी कि तो मैं उससे भी धीरे धीरे स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ कि किसी भी एक जन को पकड़ लिया कि तुम जरूरी नहीं हो सब तुम्हारे सामने कोई हो तुमको अपना एक कम्युनिकेशन स्किल इम्प्रूव करने के लिए, जस्ट सिट अलोन और खुद से बात करो कि हाँ कि मेरे को अभी ऐसी कोई चीज बोलना रोहित हो कि रोहित तू मुझे अच्छा लगता नहीं है, या फिर रोहित आई द थिंग आई हेट दिस अबाउट यू। तो हाँ मैं अपने आप कुछ प्रैक्टिस करूंगा कि हाँ तुम उसको कैसे बोलोगे उसको बुरा भी ना लगे और मेरा मैसेज भी पहुंच जाए।
हाँ
तो
नहीं
या
but it really depends, हाँ, मतलब देख तो every time you can't think about कि इसको बुरा लगेगा कि नहीं लगेगा. Sometimes hard facts
वो
need
भी
to
है,
be said and sometimes that is forced, but you need to
हाँ
know
वो
when
भी
to
है,
force it. वो पॉइंट है,
हाँ
समझ रहा है? लाइक मैं अगर वो चाइल्ड, मैं इसलिए वो चाइल्ड का एग्जांपल दे रहा था, लाइक तू यू डोंट, सिंस यू डोंट हैव एनी फिल्टर्स बचपन में, देन यू विल जस्ट से एनीथिंग एनी टाइम, यू डोंट नो व्हाट टू से, व्हाट व्हेन टू से इट. ठीक है, इसलिए वो कॉन्टेक्स्ट, इसलिए मोस्ट ऑफ द कॉन्वर्सेशंस वी हैव इट्स लेस वर्बल एंड मोर नॉन वर्बल. यू नीड टू फर्स्ट सी एसेस करने का रहता है सिचुएशन को कि भाई क्या मेरे को ये चीज ये टाइम पे बोलनी चाहिए कि नहीं. एंड व्हेन यू थिंक, एंड आई फील दिस इज मोर वेरी गट फीलिंग टाइप्स होनी चाहिए वो तुम्हें. एंड गट फीलिंग को आई फील यू शुड इम्प्रेस इट rather than like हाँ ठीक है, I can understand there is a part कि तुमको logically सोचना चाहिए, and there is this but gut feeling ये रहती है जो तुमको indicate करती है कि something which is going on non-verbally in a social situation or whatever it is. ठीक है, अगर suppose तुम किसी से बात कर रहे हो, if you find that person shady and वो तुमको एक gut feeling में आ रही है कि हाँ ठीक है मेरे को लग रहा है ये बंदा मेरा काट रहा है, then you kind of need to be like dude मेरे को ये सब में नहीं पढ़ने हैं. Then you need to be direct with them. Like I probably don't want to have this conversation with you, and you leave. वैसा रहता है. So it depends on the situation कि कैसा रहता है. अगर suppose like if मेरा अगर जीशान जैसे मेरा conversation लेता है, like मेरा और जीशान का conversation चल रहा है, जीशान wants to say something to me, at the same time मेरे को बुरा नहीं लगेगा. So you could be, I think being honest will be the best way to go. Like अगर तू मेरे context में बोलेगा, but at the same time you can't be honest, totally honest with someone who's very emotional at that point. मतलब suppose if they are going through something and then वो बंदे को तू बोलेगा and it's their fault, according to you it's their fault, but वो तो बंदे को बोले ये तेरी गलती, तेरे को करना नहीं चाहिए था.
At certain times you need to know when to sugarcoat things.
No, I mean तू like sugarcoat is one thing, हाँ, that I agree with you, कभी कभी करना पड़ता है, but
Why
at the
not
same
understanding
time,
psychology of the other person.
and that only comes when you practice, when you talk to more people, because तू देखेगा ना काफी लोग के पास वो एक सेम कॉमनैलिटी रहती है. ठीक है, वो एक सेम कॉमन, like certain characteristics they put which is common for all people are unique. ठीक है, there are many other characteristics like तू basically 80-20 का रेशियो पकड़ ले. It is not a confirmed thing, but 80-20 का रेशियो पकड़ के चल कि 20 is like a common characteristic for all human beings and 80% is defined from the personality. Like तुम like अपने अपना unique रहता है, वैसा रहता है. So depending on that, you need to assess कि भाई कि मेरे को sugar coat करके बोलना चाहिए, or does he or she need harsher statements from me. There's a very subtle difference, but it will only hone your like it will be only honed when you talk to more people, and there is no way through it. हाँ, मतलब अगर तुम सोच रहे हो कि मैं Udemy में कोर्स देख लूंगा या फिर मेरे को कोई हाँ like कोई कुछ सिखा देगा and फिर उसके बाद से मैं मस्त ऐसे टॉप क्लास बोलूंगा, इम्पॉसिबल. अगर तुमको वो पूरा एक स्क्रिप्ट भी दे देगा लिखने को, लाइक स्क्रिप्ट, ऐसा स्क्रिप्ट को रट के बोल, in the moment of the conversation you don't know what will happen. It is very like this I've heard from like this is a very beautiful thing. ये मैं प्रखर का देख रहा था, one of the podcast of his, and he said कि conversation is about honing your instincts. It is a dance you have with this other person, and basically जो तू सोच रहा है, like you don't have the time to think कि मैं क्या बोलूंगा. When you're having like this continuous conversation, you don't have like ऐसे public speaking में क्या रहता है कि you are just like you're speaking what you have already written. अगर तू एक conversation एक face to face में आ रहा है, एक general conversation जैसे अभी हो रहा है, और whatever like not even now, It's more like कि जो भी तू जिससे भी बात कर रहा है, it is basic totally in instincts. Like जो तू रट के भी आया ना, तू exactly बोलने नहीं वाला. You won't even remember half of the shit you wanted to say, and it can also be possible कि वो जो सामने वाला person है, it won't take you to that direction where you can speak all these things. So that is something. Conversation is actually, you know, honing your skills, honing your instincts. You can't really learn from a course. Like course maybe तुमको कुछ दे देगा ऐसा, but you can't learn it from them. वैसा.
इंडिया में भी ज्यादा लाइक इमोशंस ही ज्यादा रहते हैं कि हाँ इमोशंस अगर कैसे एक्सप्रेस करना है हमको, तो कभी भी ये होता है कि वी कांट एक्सप्रेस दोस इमोशन थ्रू वर्ड्स. वो खुद समझ में आना चाहिए सामने वाले को कि कहाँ इसका बंदे का भी फिलहाल ऐसा मूड कैसा है. व्हाट यू गाइस से अबाउट दिस कि इमोशंस पे अगर विदाउट टेलिंग कि अगर मेरे को गुस्सा है तो मैं कुछ उससे बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, तो सामने वाले को समझ में आ जाना चाहिए कि उसको कुछ एंटिसिपेट करना चाहिए कि हाँ इसको बंदे को क्या प्रॉब्लम है. तो तुम लोग क्या लगता है कि मुझे खुद से सामने से आके बताना चाहिए कि हाँ मेरे को ये प्रॉब्लम है?
I mean, at certain times, like, you know, when it's very obvious, that time, okay. Like, you know, I have heard this quote where this person, I don't remember, he says, communication is about hearing what isn't said. Okay, like, जो बहुत obvious नहीं होता कभी भी. Something in
Basically
the background.
non-verbal, हाँ, like बहुत ऐसा
Yeah.
like, हाँ समझा मैं.
Yeah,
Like
it can't.
between the lines.
Yeah, reading between the lines. Like it's not only about body language on, but the meaning behind each. Like, you know, इसने ऐसा क्यों बोला? Like understanding that is also very important. But when it comes to, you know, certain times people are like, you know, they're very vague about it, very bland, or like कुछ बोल रहे नहीं, they're not trying to communicate at all. Sometimes it's very important to make it obvious कि what is the issue. Like, well, if you can see तेरे सामने वाले को नहीं पता चल रहा. Like, you know, maybe he's you know, trying to communicate with you, and you shut yourself up thinking, you know, he should be the one trying to guess it.
Yeah.
Like, you know, and guessing it also. What if you guess it wrong? What if you say something wrong? What if something else comes up altogether? मतलब जो issue था उसके, you know, guessing करे कोई दूसरा issue बन गया. So sometimes I feel it's very important to make it obvious, even though, you know, you feel, you know, ये बंदे को पता होना ही चाहिए. like, ऐसा कैसे नहीं पता चल रहा? It's very clear.
Yeah.
So I mean, maybe sometimes that is what will help.
lot of relation actually just got, you know, ended because of this. You know, communication की जगह वो लोग एक दूसरे को सिर्फ वो indication देते रहते हैं, you know, समझ जाएगा indication, and but actually if the girl can give to the guy and he won't get it, or the guy can give to the girl, but actually they won't communicate. Because I have seen in my case that when not at the age of us 21, 22, very few, but when you got like 30, 35 or something like that, where I've seen they actually, when they get mature and when they go through experiences, then they understand, अच्छा by communication के through जाना ही पड़ेगा. Because other thing is not like you can't just say हाँ मैंने ऐसा phone पछाड़ दिया, now you just come and give me attention and you will get to know everything. That is not possible.
Audience जीत हमारे podcast का लब गुरु है. Any relationship advice you will give?
Yeah, I am single and I'm going to give you love advice. Yes.
हर दूसरे दिन Tinder पे उसको super like मिलता है.
वो secret नहीं बताना था किसी को. ठीक है, okay, yeah.
वो secret is how you get it. Secret is how you get the super likes. Like how do you communicate? मतलब क्या portray करता है like Tinder पे जाके, like what do you say, like, you know, girls super like.
You better think about it.
You can share that with us. Yeah, maybe share that with us.
We have to make a whole another podcast for that, a whole another series, which that we can keep for another podcast. But I think so when it comes to all of this communication right now, so just an example, over when you say communication at our age, a lot of people we have seen they do not communicate or anything. Everything is, you know, when they are like in Gujarati we say matlu sukai yujan. So what you see when the okay, so you know you make a pot or something out of clay. Now once it's dry up, you can shape it up, right? When once it's dry, you can't shape. So when it's wet and they are making you can give it a shape, any shape you want, and once it dries, it will take the shape. You can't just change the shape. अच्छा अभी ये सीधा था, अभी मुझे इसको curve करना है. It's dried, all right. So what we say that in Gujarati, because the thing is like in my when I was like 10 years old, I like in the area there were like 10 to 12 kids of my age, And this one person who used to live in my building, he was kind of shy type, so he didn't used to communicate with the whole area group, and he was just shy. We used to call him, but he was like, "Arey, nahi, ja, kaam hai." He just used to go. Okay, very smart person, but then he got the courage. He came and then he just started talking, and it was good. 2-3 mahina hua, I used to come and play. That was a good thing. I was happy for him because he was my childhood friend. But then this one guy in the group, he just said someone Sala, which is not even a bad word. ठीक है? Now
वो बचपन में बहुत
this
सोचते थे
one,
हम लोग साला ये साला बोला, oh my god. मैं
yeah,
बात नहीं
and
करता
now
था.
no, not to this shy kid who was my friend, but her mother heard that he is telling to someone else, ठीक है, outside. So her mother told this my friend, ठीक है, to not talk to the group, not to talk to him and not talk to the group, because वो लड़का ग्रुप में है तो वो बाकी सबसे बात करता. And then her mother, अरे नहीं, good boy, and all of that, क्योंकि उसको बात भी नहीं करने देते थे. So like no talking, no meeting, and all of that. And he was like, okay, and he just stopped it suddenly. I got to know after some years that what actually happened. But such type of stuff. Then even if I meet him, we call him like Manmohan Singh. बहुत silent बंदा था. किसी से बात नहीं करता था, सिर्फ अपने सोच में था यार. Even he tried by himself to get out of his shell and try to make friends and try to communicate. But now like अरे ये सारा बोल दिया, इसका पूरा ग्रुप खराब होगा, एक दोस्त ऐसा बोल दिया तो that
उसके
kid
थॉट
was nice.
में काफी इंग्रेन किया हुआ है, I feel.
Yeah, why not and why this? I think so that actually becomes in future they just become rebel. Once they get mature, they will feel like, oh, they were not allowing me to do small make friends with it. So after some time, either they will become silent, they won't try to even not raise their voice, but try to question it, because people who question it, they have a courage, or they should not be shy. I've seen many shy people, or many people who are like, "अरे छोटा है, नहीं छोटा, मगजमारी में नहीं पड़ना," or I don't want to get a headache. They won't even try to question the people. They
Dude,
like
ये
जो
ना
है वो
हम
accept
लोग
कर
को
लेंगे.
ये स्कूल और पेरेंट्स, आई ब्लेम बोथ ऑफ देम. बस ठीक है.
Big time.
पेरेंट्स
Basically,
अगर
the
सपोज
education system है ऐसा है.
अगर सपोज लाइक इफ यू आस्क समथिंग, अगर सपोज सेक्स रिलेटेड हो गया, इफ आई सी इट फ्रॉम अ वेरी वेरी यंग एज, ठीक है, मैं बोलूँगा मम्मी ये क्या हो रहा है, या फिर पापा ये क्या हो रहा है, ये लाइक अभी नहीं बता सकते, हम बाद में बताएंगे.
पर ये
और
आई थी बच्चा
क्यूरियोसिटी तो ऑलरेडी
like,
रह गया ना भाई कि क्या है, वो खुद से नहीं सोच करेगा,
yeah,
दोस्तों से नहीं
that's right.
पूछेगा वो अपने. एंड फिर सेकंड थिंग आती है टीचर्स के टाइम पे, ठीक है, सबकी फटती है क्वेश्चंस पूछने में, कुछ भी डाउट रहता है पूछने में फटती है. Eventually it becomes into disinterest, but if you see when you're really curious, but देख रहे हैं अरे सबको समझ में आ गया, सिर्फ मेरे को ही नहीं आया, then you're like अच्छा ठीक है, मुझे भी समझने की कोशिश, मेरे को भी शायद, like I don't want to
Yeah.
be dumb.
Yeah.
Actually, it's the thing of that they have got a fear of embarrassment, because I have learned from an American boss, or from my senior, that if you don't know, if you are like not stupid, but if you don't know, then ask the question loudly, don't sit silently. If you don't know, then ask loudly. It's not a bad thing. If like you don't know, you will ask a question, you will know, you will get to learn. Second time the other thing, you can ask again. It's not a bad thing to ask and learn. Cause like एक अकेले बंदे ने थोड़ी उसे भी फीस दिया है. And like cause I have seen with our personal college experiences, the teacher says हाँ 1000 बार question पूछो, but you ask the question second time like अभी तो सिखाया, ध्यान कहाँ था? Like
Exactly.
yeah, so I think
There's
so,
no patience.
then there fear. Yeah.
Not
That's
only
right.
in school, even in degree college this happens. सब कुछ
मतलब
सिखाने
like
का डाउट है तो क्या समझाने.
सब जगह in general, हाँ भाई, like
Yeah,
इंडिया में
that's
ऐसा. And I think not restricted to India also. I think US में भी ऐसा मैंने सुना है, stories ऐसा बहुत होता है. I'm not exactly sure, but I've heard from people कि उधर भी डाउट पूछने के लिए उनको बहुत ऐसा प्रॉब्लम होता है. But there are majority of people who will ask. इधर हम लोग को repress कर देते हैं, and that is why we have so many problems communicating, because हम सवाल ही नहीं पूछते यार. हम सवाल नहीं पूछते, हम जानने की कोशिश नहीं करते. ठीक है, सपोज मैं जीशान को मैं पूछूं ही नहीं कि क्या हाल चाल है, मेरे को मालूम भी नहीं पड़ेगा भाई क्या हो रहा है उसके लाइफ में. जस्ट कीप इट एज इट इज. मेरे को कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं रहेगा उसके बारे में, एंड इट डजंट मेक सेंस. वो रिलेशन ही नहीं रहेगा, वो फ्रेंडशिप और व्हाटएवर इट इज. So I think
sometimes what happens,
hmm,
sometimes ये होता है कि अगर जैसे अगर मैं तो कुछ बोल रहा हूँ वो सच है लेकिन तेरा मूड अच्छा नहीं है तो तू गुस्से में है, तेरे को लगेगा कि हाँ ये बंदा मेरे सामने से अंडरस्टैंड करने की कोशिश ही नहीं कर रहा है,
Yeah.
और मेरे को भी ये लगेगा कि ये बंदा सुन ही नहीं रहा है मेरी बात।
so
तो
that comes under
हाँ
assumption.
हाँ वही
तुम
वही
assume
वही
कर रहे हो
मैं
कि वो ऐसा सोच रहा है,
वही है
it
कि
is a reflection of
दोनों
yourself.
हाँ तो जो मेरे को लग रहा है उसको वही लगना चाहिए, हम लोग वही एज्यूम करते हैं।
Hmm. So you
मेरी
don't want
प्रॉब्लम
to
अगर दोनों साइड से कम्युनिकेशन नहीं हो जाता है कि हाँ बंदा सामने से बोल भी नहीं रहा है तो क्या है उसको, और मेरे को मतलब ट्रूथ है मैं उसको बोल रहा हूँ सुन भी नहीं रहा है बंदा।
Hmm. अरे तो इसके लिए पता है क्या करने का, अगर ऐसा चीज होता है टेबल पे बिठाने का, तेरा और तेरा जो भी रहेगा जिसके साथ तेरे को प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने का, एक टेबल पे बैठ, उसको बोल तू पहले जो भी तेरे को बोलने का है बोल, मैं सुनूंगा, ठीक है, टोकने का नहीं है, खाली सुनूंगा मैं,
हाँ
यू लिसन टू इट इंटेंटली, फिर मैं बोलूंगा और तू सुन आराम से सुन, ठीक है, लेट्स पुट आवर इमोशंस असाइड, ठीक है, मैं सुन सकता हूँ, ऐसे समझ सकता हूँ, ऐसा बहुत बर्न हो रहा रहेगा अंदर से, बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा रहेगा, वॉट एवर इट इज, बट दैट इज द ओनली थिंग यू कैन डू टू सॉर्ट इट आउट, बिकॉज यू नीड टू सी बाबा कि वो कौन से पॉइंट से आ रहा है, मे बी लाइक वो तेरे को गुस्सा भी लाइक तेरे पे चिल्ला भी रहा है, बट इट माइट बी फॉर सम अदर रीजन, मालूम पड़ा उसको बॉस उसको ट्रीट नहीं कर रहा है, राइट, बट वो फ्रस्ट्रेशन वो तेरे पे निकाल रहा है इन वॉट एवर रिलेशन यू हैव, वैसा रहता है बहुत डूड, तो फिर
बट
तो भी
इट नॉट हैपन एवरी कि दोनों जो सामने होते ऐसा करते हैं लोग, लाइक कुछ भी छोटी बात पे झगड़ा हुआ कि हाँ चल तू तो दोस्ती खत्म, ये वो खत्म,
dude,
कुछ
तो देखो
छोटी
उससे
बात को
दोस्ती
लेकर
क्यों
आगे लेके चले जाते हैं।
देखो दोस्ती क्यों रखनी है अगर इतना इम्पेशेंट बंदा है तो,
नॉट अबाउट मी ना, नॉट अबाउट मी ना, इट्स हैपन एवरी टाइम एवरी सबके साथ में ना
हाँ तो
कि दोनों एक दूसरे को समझे नहीं, या फिर देख गर्लफ्रेंड बॉयफ्रेंड को ले ले तो अभी
हम्म,
भी उसने अभी
जीशान को बहुत
गर्लफ्रेंड की ले
पता है,
ले उसको
हाँ बोल 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 बोल,
हाँ, तो अभी अभी द गर्ल इज एंग्री,
हाँ
जैसे एग्जांपल, हाँ कि तू दिल से मत लेना कोई भी सुन रहा है जो तो
मैं
गर्ल
दिल
इज
से
एंग्री।
लोगे भी तो सॉरी नॉट सॉरी पॉडकास्ट का नाम है हम लोग का,
हाँ हाँ
जिशान हार्ट ब्रेकर है, जिशान हार्ट ब्रेकर।
बोल बोल बोल,
तो
Go on,
अभी
go on.
वो लड़की को प्रॉब्लम है कुछ, वो बता नहीं रही है,
हम्म,
वो एक्सेप्ट कर रही है कि वो खुद से समझ जाए,
हाँ
यानी लड़का जो है वो उसको सच बोल रहा है कि तेरे को ये इशू है, लेकिन वो गुस्से में है कि मेरे को इसको नहीं सुनने का, एक गलत बोला मेरे, ही इज नॉट ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड मी, तो वहाँ पे एक बैरियर आता है दोनों को भी, वो छोटी बात होती है, तो दोनों साइड से भी नहीं होता कि यहाँ, दोनों साइड से नहीं होता कि वो जो बोल रहा है वो क्यों बोल रहा है, वो समझ लड़के को समझना नहीं है और लड़के को भी समझना है कि मेरा बोलना जो सुन क्यों नहीं रहे मेरी, उसको भी समझना नहीं है, वो प्रॉब्लम दोनों साइड से आ जाता है फिर,
तो एक
तो
काम
वो
करो
प्रॉब्लम।
ना, तो अगर हीट ऑफ द
बट
आर्गुमेंट में है ऐसा, तो फिर तुम थोड़ा कूल ऑफ कर लो, ले लो भाई 2-3 घंटा ले लो, अपने साथ बैठो थोड़ा,
वही नहीं होता है ना,
अरे
वही तो
बट
नहीं होता है दे
I think so.
लिटरली लाइक
I think so. Many
हाँ
times what happens is that they just set an expectation in their mind कि नहीं इसको मुझे सॉरी बोलना चाहिए. I don't care वो मेरा सुने
हाँ
या फिर मैं उसकी सुनो. वो मुझे सॉरी बोलना चाहिए. Okay, all of three are getting.
Jeet,
Okay,
Jeet saying it from personal experience. Jeet saying it from
I am
personal
talking about
experience.
personal experience, and I think so. You all know that experience. But I think so that many times people just they just get from their mind like whole lock period कि नहीं भाई मेरा कोई गलती नहीं है. I don't want to see. I don't want to hear.
हाँ
I will
ये
just
हमेशा
feel
मैं ही
and I will
सही
just
हूँ,
So that's
हमेशा
the
मैं ही
thing.
सही
yeah.
हूँ।
We are
And
always we try very hard to be understood. वो same efforts अगर हम if we put in understanding, I feel a lot of our problems will be solved there. Like
Yeah,
instead of always questioning कि ये मेरे को क्यों नहीं समझ रहा, you can ask yourself like why am I not understanding that why he's not getting my issue, like am I portraying it properly, like am I showing it well, or am I hiding it and I'm not listening at all, I've closed myself completely. Maybe that is one way like such issues can be solved.
वो होएगा, बट आई डोंट थिंक ये हीट ऑफ द मोमेंट में लोगों को रियलाइज होता है,
Yeah,
and when people are arguing they don't realize, they'll just pick up like जो old issues भी जो already solve हो गए ना वो भी surface पे लेके आ जाता है, ऐसा भी रहता है,
yeah,
that's why I said कि थोड़ा कूल डाउन करो भाई, देखो थोड़ा 2-3 घंटा सोचो,
yeah.
2-3 घंटा भी छोड़ो, एक हफ्ता सोच लो भाई, थोड़ा काम करो, काम डाउन
वही चीज
करो
है जो
ऐसा,
लोग करते नहीं ना, वो चीज
No,
लोग
that's
करते
what they
नहीं है
say,
ना.
no?
That is
कि like,
what I'm saying कि ये करना चाहिए लोगों को ऐसा नहीं
no,
करते
that's what they say, no?
basically
When
toxic only. You become toxic that way
yeah.
because if you keep on arguing that way, then things are not going anywhere. तुम side बैठे हो वो side बैठी है so it doesn't
And
go
I
anywhere.
think so.
Like वैसा हो जाता है.
And many times what situation happen is that even the external situation can affect the communication part. All right. So like without any reason, like Rohit said that कोई और चीज का frustration. So there is a series, my favorite series, How I Met Your Mother. That there is a character Barney Stinson, which is played by Neil Patrick Harris, and there was this one. He just created this whole pyramid or circle or chain of screaming, pyramid of screaming or chain of screaming or circle of screaming. In what he said that, for example, Rohit is the boss, Ian is his employee. Okay. Now Rohit will scream to Ian for
Wait,
that work.
he is
Now, yes.
abused.
All right. Now Ian will get frustrated or something. Ian will scream at his wife for some reason at home. कुछ भी हुआ and now Ian will like he is at for conversation. He won't understand because Rohit gave him like all that headache and everything. Now Ian can remove that frustration at his wife. His wife can now his wife her Ian wife for example is a school teacher or something, and Ian wife will scream at the student. Now turns out the student is the son of Rohit, the boss, and his son will scream at him. This I know it. It
That's
sounds
a nice cycle. That's a nice cycle.
that cycle what he created over there. I'm just representing the same thing over here. So sometimes a lot of things, and Rohit will be like listening to his son, but Rohit see you screamed at Ian screamed at his wife, and this is how the chain formed. So this is like a chain or a pyramid or a circle which can be created, and many times a frustration because in my personal experience, yes, मैंने मेरे बॉस से सुना था एक बार cause एक बग आ गया था एक लाइव प्रोडक्शन के इसके ऊपर and I was scream मुझे चिढ़ा दिया कि अरे यार मैनेज नहीं कर सकते and then I had 2 or 3 people direct report I was screaming कैसे बनाया नहीं बनाना था क्या ये करो so I think so this is how that chain of screaming or the frustration is a lot of time passed down. So yeah.
No, I think what makes you strong in this is if you're the one who breaks that chain. And I think that takes a lot of dedication, that takes a lot of goodwill. Like you
actually
choose to
that
stop
that
this
takes,
chain here and not pass it. Yeah.
that takes understanding actually. That takes understanding cause कि क्या होता है फ्रस्ट्रेट निकाल देते हैं but they don't understand कि इस पे क्यों फ्रस्ट्रेशन निकालो इसने मुझे गुस्सा नहीं किया. So I think so many people have to. I have seen that from my childhood. डोरेमोन देखोगे उसमें वो जो मोटा था वो जो गाता था I don't remember his name. Jian की माँ Jian को मारती है. Jian mother will beat Jian. Jian will get angry and he sees Nobita on the road and he will just beat him out of no reason.
Oh yeah.
That's a very good example. That's a very good example.
Yeah. So if Jian would be understanding like इस नोबिता ने तो कुछ किया नहीं है मेरी माँ ने किया है मैं क्यों बेचारे को मारूं then I think so the chain would have broken. So a lot of people have to understand that to where to channelize the anger.
नोबिता was the strong one वो बंदा पर जाके रोता था डोरेमोन वो अपनी माँ पर जाके नहीं सुना in that terms mentally नोबिता was the strong one बंदा पर रोके चले जाता था
नहीं but वो भी तो बदला लेता है ना उस जीएन से
गैजेट
के थ्रू
I mean no usually what happens usually Doraemon used to just give something to feel better like it is not always necessary कि he gives them some revenge to something मैंने बहुत देखा ऐसे स्टेयर मत कर मेरे को ठीक है so I mean he usually used to give something to make him happy or distract his mind. So I feel mentally देखिएगा तो Nobita was the stronger one among that whole series.
So conclusion, the one thing you can take from this podcast is never be a Jian.
Yeah.
Be a Nobita. Go and cry in your girlfriend.
No, actually, yeah. Go and cry if you want. You go and cry if you want. चलेगा.
Yeah.
Or like you just remove your frustration somewhere else. जैसे exercise हो गया, like or if you want to curb your anger management issues, तो meditation कर लो. यार बट इफ यूर हाँ जैसे तूने बताया वो साइकिल बन जाता है यार वो किस पे निकालेगा तू किस पे निकाला वो किसी और पे निकालेगा वो किसी और पे निकालेगा एंड द चेन विल गो ऑन समवन नीड्स टू ब्रेक दैट एंड द ओनली वन हु लाइक तुम अपने में एक्सप्रेस कर लो ना अगर तुमको एक्सरसाइज करके फ्रस्ट्रेशन निकालना है निकाल लो अगर तुमको रोके फ्रस्ट्रेशन निकालना है निकाल लो बट द थिंग इज दैट द ओनली वे टू रिजॉल्व कॉन्फ्लिक्ट इज व्हेन यू आर काम एंड व्हेन यू keep your whatever जो तेरे wants and desires है from this other person you keep it directly and be, you know, like अगर वो नहीं मान रहे, ठीक है, if they are like कि हाँ मेरे को नहीं मानने का, walk out. तुम खुश नहीं रहोगे एंड तुम वो सहते जाओगे, तुम खुश नहीं रहने वाले. एंड इट कैन बी एनी रिलेशन. अगर तुम्हारा फ्रेंडशिप रहता है किसी के साथ, वैसा भी सेम. अगर तुम्हारा इफ यू बिकम एन एडल्ट देन पेरेंट्स के साथ अगर ऐसा होता है तो फिर प्रोबेबली ऐसा कर सकते हो डिपेंडिंग ऑन कॉन्टेक्स्ट. लाइक यू कैन नॉट अग्री, लाइक यू नो, अगर तुम फाइनेंशियली इंडिपेंडेंट हो अपने साथ तो फिर मे बी यू नो मूव आउट. वैसा कर सकते हो.
No, I mean, you feel like, you know, वो दिमाग पे गुस्सा निकालने से you'll feel better, तेरा frustration कम हो जाएगा. But eventually, as it happens, keeps on happening, it's going to eat you up on the inside. And you'll
guilt form हो
find
जाता है
that,
कि मुझे ऐसा,
the guilt
Yeah,
form,
yeah.
and that person is not there in your life now. Like, you know, when you realize कि हाँ कि I was doing this, you know, मैं रोज सुना रहा था इसको, मैं इसको रोज पकड़ कर चिल्ला रहा था, even though she has not done anything, he has not done anything. So I think till the time you realize that, it's already too late. So I mean, that is also one thing we need to always consider when.
वो कबीर के दोहे रहते हैं ना, कबीर के दोहे you all have heard ना, ऐसा. वो अगर I mean I can't,
I don't remember anything of it.
नहीं, but like one thing that stuck to me and I think ये बहुत commonly सुना भी रहेगा. Like you know, there is a thread between me and this person which keeps the relation intact.
Yes.
एक बार वो
प्रेम का
धागा
धागा.
टूट जाता है. हाँ,
प्रेम का धागा. हाँ, प्यार. हाँ,
whatever it is.
एक बार टूटे तो ना जुड़े, जुड़ेगा तो रह जाए. So it's like अगर जुड़ भी गया तो a knot will be there.
A
Yes.
knot will be formed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There will always be a knot. It won't be a straight line.
Do you want that knot or not in your life? It really depends. क्योंकि वो हमेशा होता है कि you cannot erase the past ना. अगर तुमने suppose तुम्हारे साथ कुछ हुआ है, trust like you know trust break हुआ है, कुछ भी हुआ है, ठीक है, या फिर argument की वजह से कुछ बहुत बड़ा झगड़ा हो गया, like you know you brought something in the surface and उसकी वजह से वो offend हो गया and you know the whole thing broke off. तो फिर उसके बाद even if you'll come to reconcile whatever it is, वो knot हमेशा रहेगा. Even though it's not very obvious from the surface, वो अंदर से तुमको रहेगा कि हाँ मैंने इसके साथ ऐसा किया था. Like ऐसे events हुए हैं मेरे साथ ये person के regarding. So you don't really like, even if you know forget, like you know can't, हाँ ऐसे बोलते हैं ना, you can't forget it. Even if you forgive this person, you can't forget it. तो knot हमेशा बंदी रहेगी. But मेरा question तुम लोग से ये है that how do you build trust in the first place? How do you communicate that you are a trustworthy person?
I think so. I just build the trust by just seeing what is my heart, and I actually, when it comes to communication first, I'm shy with the person because even we don't know सामने वाला कैसा है, सामने वाले की thinking कैसा है, सामने वाला सच में अच्छा बंदा है क्या, फिर you know, like he is just a guy who can just use the information or take the information out of you and you like हाँ चल, because we get a lot of people in our life like that. So first it's like we have to, you know, judge that person by giving a little bit of information to see that वो बंदा कैसा है, and then I don't, it's hard to, I don't believe so कि trust एक दिन में या one conversation it can happen. So when people say हाँ एक ही बार में मिले, एक मीटिंग किया और शादी हो गई, वो प्यार हो गया मुझे, I just find it to find correct. बस 6-7 महीना तो लगता है to, you know, to build that trust with that person and have a feeling, because many times, you know what happened, because I've seen with my other cousins and friends, this one cousin, okay, she has a best friend and that best friend has a boyfriend, but whenever she has a mental breakdown, she is very emotional. ये उसके बेस्ट फ्रेंड से आके बात करती है, मतलब मेरे कजिन से, because she finds very most like हाँ मैं से इमोशनली बात कर सकती हूँ, not with a boyfriend. So I think so this is something which I find कि it's not about कि हाँ ये मेरा boyfriend है, ये मेरा husband है, तो मैं इसके साथ, not husband but boyfriend है, जो भी है, तो मैं इमोशनली इसके साथ ज़्यादा कनेक्ट करती हूँ. It can be anyone who is actually emotionally powerful to connect with you, with your words, who understand your words. Not non-verbal, like you said, not even the non-verbal part. So I think so this is a time-taking thing.
मेरे हिसाब से there are multiple nuances to it. ठीक है, अभी वो बच्चे वाला एग्जांपल पकड़ लेते हैं हम लोग. तो बच्चा doesn't know, like हम लोग ट्रस्ट करना कभी, हम लोग when do we exactly start taking time to trust someone? when तुम्हारा ट्रस्ट बहुत बार टूटा है तब जाके तुम बहुत टाइम लेते हो, सोच समझ के करते हो. वो बच्चा सोच समझ के नहीं करेगा, वो किसी को भी ट्रस्ट कर लेगा.
टॉफी दे दे 2 रुपए का, वो तेरा बेस्ट फ्रेंड बन जाएगा.
Yeah, and there are adults who do that. मैं मजाक नहीं कर रहा.
Yeah.
I bet Ian would be that kid, you know, like
मुझे
toffee
लगा ही
chocolate
मेरा
रखे
नाम
रहते.
लेगा, मुझे लगा ही मेरा नाम लेगा.
Because you are the one sweet addict over here in that group. देखो तो I bet तेरे घर वाले बहुत strict हो गए like मामलों में. कोई unknown stranger दे भाई मत लेना please.
हाँ,
I-
मेरी माँ एक्स्ट्रा बोलती थी, that is true.
Like,
I
yeah,
would
see,
hear
we
it
know you
more
very
than a
well.
normal kid. Yeah, I would hear it more
Yeah.
than a normal kid.
But yeah,
Yeah,
like
we agree
बेसिकली
with
ये है
you.
कि हमको जो हमारे अंदर जो इम्पेशंस है, इम्पेशंस हम रखते हैं कि हमको सब कुछ तुरंत होना चाहिए, एंड ये फीलिंग कि मैं सबसे बेटर, दुनिया में सबसे बेटर मैं ही हूँ, आई एम द मोस्ट
narcissism के
बेटर
अंदर आ
पर्सन.
गया ना. I don't think there are a lot of narcissistic people. Like
Huh?
बहुत बहुत
There
कम.
are.
There are, I mean,
I mean,
हाँ,
there
I
are,
know quite
like,
a
but
few.
I don't see a lot of people being narcissistic. Again, there's a difference between respecting yourself, मतलब self respect जहाँ से आता है,
हाँ.
वहाँ से तुम बोलते हो, and narcissism straight on. Narcissism
Yeah.
is when you feel the world revolves around you.
We
वही
know
major
people
difference
like
होगा.
that.
हाँ.
Yeah.
Yeah,
हाँ, but
I think
I
we
don't
all know
see-
someone or the other in our life who's like that.
हाँ, but I like they don't take up a major chunk of your like people you know. कितने लोग होंगे जो narcissistic है according to you?
मेरे लाइफ में, like,
हाँ.
मैं भी जिसको जानता हूँ.
हाँ.
Recently one.
Say maybe 3 to 4.
3 to 4
Okay.
out of
3 to
how
4,
many?
3 to 4.
Out of a lot of people, yeah, it's not
हाँ.
ऐसा commonly नहीं है.
Common
मतलब
दो
लोग में
तीन,
इतना भी self confidence
because-
नहीं रहता.
हाँ. हाँ.
I know one people. I know one.
Yeah, even I know like 2-3 people. I know just 2-3. वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ, like काफी, like you don't meet them often, but it is good to stay away from such people. वो I'd say.
Yeah.
Because फिर
I
Relationship
think so.
में भी
Narcissism,
patience.
when you say people, like, you know, narcissism है, lot of people show their true character after a certain period of time or after a certain period of friendship. It's many people are, I can say, I can proudly say I have met such people who are such a bitch. They will be like very good to your face, very good to in public, everywhere they will be good, like अरे क्या इतने अच्छे लोग हैं. After a certain amount of time, like, oh damn, गलत जगह पैर डाल दिया मैंने. Like, yeah, like I should have not been friends with this guy. So
dude, even
I
that.
believe,
We can understand. We can understand.
yeah, you all understand. Okay, so I believe that it's many people just show that for arrogant and the narcissist type in the first communication only. पता चल जाता है हाँ भाई ये अलग है, like, you know, कुछ उखाड़ा नहीं लाइफ में, जो भी है बाप का पैसा है उसके ऊपर रूल है. आई हैव मेट पीपल हु आर लाइक हाँ बाप के पैसे पे जो भी है, लाइक oh मैं ये हूँ, बट लाइक तुझे नॉलेज भी नहीं है. If you ask to deal with a basic guy about a basic thing, he won't be able to. But they are just like हाँ मेरे पास ये है, so I think so people will revolve around me. And many people are like okay, nice, everything, but they show their face actually later. So there are multiple kind of people we can say that starting में.
That's why you say human beings are so complex in their nature. तुमको मालूम ही नहीं पड़ता है कब वो narcissistic personality में बदले within, like, you know, within the duration of a friendship. मालूम पड़ा वो पहले ऐसे नहीं थे actually में.
Yeah.
ठीक है. Or maybe they have suppressed that the part of them which is narcissistic which they didn't know about, and then later on, probably, you know, due to some events or circumstances जो भी रहते हैं, then it comes up. Then you're like, you know, हाँ ठीक है मेरे को अभी clearly दिख रहा है ये narcissistic है. They wouldn't have been पहले शायद, ठीक है. Probably they were hiding it from the very beginning, ठीक है. In order to, like, because narcissistic people का एक चीज रहता है, they want people to like them very badly.
Yeah.
And once कोई latch on कर लेता है वो बंदा, and then they try to, you know, manipulate them to do their bidding. वैसा रहता है.
I think so the biggest thing which, you know, like switch them when they become narcissistic or something like that, you know, gradually developing, is I think so even if they become, people give them a lot of power, like convince करने का and all of that, and you know, such part. Like I don't want to get into controversy, but people say अरे कंगना रनौत पे ये डाल दिया ट्विटर पे, and everyone gives भाव, अरे इसका ट्विटर ये पे क्यों डालती है. Like I think so the वो डालते रहते हैं because people भाव दे रहे हैं इंस्टाग्राम पे, that's what she want. मत भाव दो, देखने भी मत जाओ. कंगना रनौत, अरे कोई देखो मेरा, they will die for that. You know, many people just, you know, do all of this nakra or whatever to just to get attention. I've seen a lot of people doing that. you know baby cries, हाँ भाई मेरे को attention दो, or like you know your sweet dog angel, you know कोई उसको भाव नहीं देता, ऐसे थोड़ा जाके you know वो भाव करते like मुझे थोड़ा attention दो या something like that. So I think so many people do this for the purpose of attention to get into limelight, so or get the spot. So yeah,
But you know what's
everyone.
but you know like what's interesting? Narcissistic people don't know that they are narcissists.
Yeah.
They don't know.
Yeah.
उनको realize नहीं
I,
होता.
They just pass it on as self-love.
हाँ.
अच्छा.
Yeah.
I have never been
Spot on.
narcissist. I don't know. And when you see one, I don't know if they feel that way or they don't feel that way. I have never experienced such stuff. और या फिर सामने वाले कैसे, it's actually hard to determine now. But if you are saying it, then I don't know. It would
नहीं
be
you don't get to know only कि तू कहाँ पे वो boundary cross कर रहा है. But between self-respect and narcissism वैसा. So, like it is very difficult, but बाद में I think it takes a third person to see.
Yeah.
तुम बहुत बार खुद से नहीं देख पाते हो यार, अगर तुम narcissistic behavior दिखा रहे हो कि नहीं दिखा रहे हो. वो बार बार either introspection से आता है या फिर कोई third person तुम्हें बता रहा है कि तू ये जो कर रहा है बहुत out of the line है.
or someone who respects them both, or if you have a senior, or if you have a parent, or if you have an elder brother sister whom you
वो
respect
third
the
person.
most, उनके yeah that type of third person can create an impact. अगर कोई unknown होगा ना तो उनकी बात उनको कान में भी नहीं जाएगी. It won't even affect them if that third person is unknown. So someone
वो
if they
बोलेंगे
respect,
ये will just tell कि हाँ तू मेरे से you are jealous of me and तू इसलिए बोल रहा है ऐसा, you hate me, you don't understand me, यही बोलेंगे.
जीशान तेरे को बहुत लोगों ने बोला ऐसा लग रहा है मेरे को.
I know one person, okay.
one person.
No, but you know the fun fact is कि like you know narcissists are kind of sociopaths. Okay. And through studies, it has been found out such people back in Stone Age के time when we had tribes and all, such people tended out to usually be the leaders of the tribe. Narcissists, sociopaths, people with such such personalities, they were found to be leaders of tribes because they had the capacity to draw people towards them. As you said, manipulate करते. To using that person's attention and manipulating them. So they had this thing of making people follow them, even if they left the tribe, even though they did something very controversial back in the day. वो एक बार वो ये tribe system चलेगा तो obviously निकल गया because people started why should we follow someone? People started questioning things more. That time they started why should we follow someone else when we can be our own bosses or something like that. So I mean that is what is very like back then maybe it was like a survival instinct, like maybe I can do something about this personality.
नहीं तभी तो चाहिए रहते ना, like उन लोगों को तो जिंदगी मौत का सवाल था यार तभी तो. They need to stick together regardless of how shitty the boss will be. Otherwise you'll get eaten. वैसा था.